today's video, I'm just gonna be using this little palette from Essence, and I'll probably be swatching it. I have 3 of them right here. I'll be swatching all of them, but today I'm gonna be using this one, and I just can't get enough of them. They're so cute. For today, I'll just try this blue one and swatch all of them so you guys can have an idea on how they are looking like. But in future videos, I'll probably be using these two, but today I just wanted to try the blue. I was just feeling the blue vibe, but here it is, you guys, in all of its glory. So cute. Look at that. And I also have the Dancing in Green. So cute, you guys. Look at it. Such a perfect little green palette. Can't wait to try it. And this one is I like to move it maybe, or I like to mauve it. It's how it's called. And let's just quickly start swatching this blue one. As I'm swatching this, I just want to say, you guys, it was so difficult to get it into my eyes. I just feel like this blue one was a little, in fact, patchy and not at all trying to stick to my lid. I don't know if it's because of the primer that I use is way too old or what is up with that, but I will be showing you guys the process of how I did this look and how the eyeshadows just wasn't sticking to it. Although the swatches right here are not doing great either. So, but blues are something very difficult to make. Here's this other one. And the last one in the palette. Here are all of them. As you can see, the blues, just the mattes are swatching a little bit patchy. I'm not liking, although I do like the colors of it. The color scheme is beautiful and everything. I just feel like the mattes are a little bit difficult to work with. We'll see how I swatch the other ones, and when I use them, I will let you know if they have the same formula or either or is better. But the shimmers, though, the shimmers are amazing. It has 3 shimmers and 3 mattes, and I just love the shimmers, but I don't love the mattes on this palette. It's not the best. Moving on to Dancing Green, you guys, I'm just gonna start swatching. This one has a satin finish shadow and 3 shimmers and 2 mattes, so we'll see how that plays out. So that's the first one. It's kind of like the same tone as my skin, so you won't be able to see it. Then there's a shimmer one, which looks very gorgeous. Look at that one, you guys. It's so golden, but kind of like a green shadow as well. I love this color, you guys. It could be all over the lid. It looks so pretty. And it changes, has that golden but green base. Moving on. This one, you guys, is just so smooth. I love this color. This one is kind of like a green but blue but gray kind of color. It's kind of like shifting blue. I love it. It's very nice for a palette, which is $3.99. This one is my favorite so far. So we'll see the next shadow. And this color is just more like an anchoring color where you can blend first and then throw a shimmer on top. Very nice for a transition shade. Moving on, we have a dark green. These shadows feel a little bit better than the blue one. And then the last shadow is a shimmer, which is stunning as well. super nice for like a lid shade. Look at it, you guys. This shadow and this one are gorgeous for the lid, and this is like very nice for as a transition. It's color to darken up with. It's just beautiful. And this one is kind of like a dual chrome in there, so I love this green one. Can't wait to try it. I don't want to take it off. We'll do and swatch the next palette. So next one we have like a purple one. We'll start. This color right here has some pinkish, like kind of like a mauve purpley kind of shade. It looks more light in the pan than it does on my arm. So it's that shade right there. So in my arm's showing a little bit more than it actually is. Then we have this one. It's kind of like a plum with a dark base and a light shift. Very nice, very nice. I love that shade. And you guys, this is $3.99. Then we have the next one, which can also be used as a transition shade. Very, very beautiful shade. I like that one. It's kind of like warm, but also purpley at the same time. Very nice. And we have another shimmer. Look at that shimmer. It has a shift to it, like a blue shift, but purple base, kind of pink as well. Very beautiful. Then we have a cool tone one. Very cool tone. This turns more like, pulls a little bit more gray, but also stunning shade. And then the last one, also a purpley shade. Love the pink shift that it has in there as well. Love all the shades. You guys are beautiful. I think these two, the green one and the purple one, are truly stunning. The only one that I find issues with is just the blue, but we'll see when I use this on my eyes if they give me any more trouble. I already know that this one did, so let's just see how I created this look, and I'll see you in a bit. So as you guys could have seen, it was a struggle to blend these blues. It was horrific. I couldn't get it to stick. I don't know if it was the primer that I used, and I used, let me see, I used this primer, but it's been on my little tray right here for a long time, so I don't know if it's just because it's so old and it didn't want to stick to it, or I don't know. It gave me a struggle. So I'll see you in the next video with another try with the rest of the palettes, and we'll see if it's as bad as it was today or if it's any better. So without any more rambling, you guys, I will see you in the next video, and bye bye.